featuring ASMR. You'll learn how to make a plastic injection molded keychain. First, we draw a mock-up of the mold in AutoCAD. We 3D print the mold to check for imperfections in the lettering, sprue, and sizing. Then it's off to the resin printer. We used the resin printed mold over the standard PLA printed mold because the resin printed mold can withstand a higher temperature and a higher clamping force in the machine. Notice how the mold is slightly tilted in the resin printer. This reduced the surface area of each layer, hence reducing the printing time. This is important when you have 6 other groups waiting to use the same printer. This is the curing machine. We set the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius for 120 minutes. For the injection machine, we used the APSXPIM injection machine set to 195 degrees Celsius. Notice the barrel temperature, cooling time, and holding time. What did we learn? 1. It is important to check the sizing of the mold in the machine. 2. Make sure to include a sprue for high quality injection molding. 3. Tilt the product during printing to reduce the surface area and printing time. 4. Caution for warping. Troubleshooting the machine with multiple trials may be necessary. 5. Maintain proper precautions when using the machinery. Special consideration for production have been provided by Dr. Davis's Manufacturing Design Studio course. The University of Georgia College of Engineering. The University of Georgia Fabrication Lab. And viewers like you.